You've seen all the headlines, right? AI will make you rich. But let's be honest, what you usually get is just this massive, overwhelming list of tools and absolutely no strategy. So you sign up for a dozen different things and crickets. Nothing happens. It's a super common trap and it's frustrating. But what if there's a much smarter way to do this?
Okay, let's just reframe this whole thing. Instead of just having a random list of tools, what if we built a system? Imagine having an AI that writes all your content for you, another one that turns that content into a video, and at the exact same time, you've got an app that's paying you in crypto just for going on your daily walk. See, that's not just a bunch of apps. That's a well-oiled machine.
And that is exactly what we are going to do today. We are moving way beyond simple lists. I'm going to show you how to stack specific tools from content generators like Jasper all the way to passive earners like Pi Coin to build a system that automates not just your creativity, but your income too.
So here's how we're going to break it down. We're going to look at 4 key layers: the content engine, the video multiplier, the active hustle, and of course, passive earners. And then we'll pull it all together so you can build your own custom stack.
First up, let's talk about the foundation of this entire stack, the content engine. This is where we automate what is, for most people, the most time-consuming part of any digital business. Actually creating the words, whether that's for a blog, a script, or a social media post.
Now, picking the right tool for the right job is absolutely crucial here. For quick, punchy stuff like social media posts or product descriptions, Copy.ai is fantastic. It's super fast, really effective. But when you need to do more in-depth work like full blog posts or video scripts, Jasper.ai is the real powerhouse. It just has a much better grasp of nuance and structure, which you absolutely need for longer content.
So you might be asking, how does this actually make me money? Well, 2 ways. First, it saves you a ton of time, and time is money, right? But second, and this is the big one, it creates digital assets. Just think of a blog post that you can monetize with ads or affiliate links. Those special links where you get a commission if someone buys a product you recommend. That one piece of content can keep generating revenue for you long, long after you've hit publish.
Now, what's really cool is how we can build on top of this. And hey, if you're getting some value from this breakdown so far, do me a quick favor and hit that like button and subscribe to Brand Tech Auth right below. We drop strategic explainers just like this one every single week.
All right, let's move on to the next layer and see how this all connects. We've got our text, that's our foundation. Now it's time to multiply its value by turning it into a completely new format, video. And this is where a tool like Pictory comes in, and it is a game changer. It's an AI that takes your text, like that blog post you just wrote with Jasper, and automatically creates a video from it. It finds relevant stock footage, it adds captions, it puts it all together for you. This is literally how people are creating those faceless YouTube channels, where you never have to show your face on camera to produce really high-quality content.
And this just perfectly shows the stack in action. Step 1, you generate your script with Jasper. Step 2, you copy and paste that text right into Pictory. Step 3, you let the AI build the video. And step 4, you upload it to YouTube and start monetizing with ad revenue. You've just turned one asset into 2, basically doubling your potential reach and your income. It's brilliant.
Okay, so we've automated our content creation, but our income stack doesn't have to stop there. What about all that time you're not actively creating? The moments you're just waiting in line or sitting on your commute. Well, that's where the active hustle layer comes in, turning that downtime into direct earnings you can use to fuel your creative tools. Platforms like Freecash are just perfect for this. They actually pay you for doing simple tasks you might already be doing anyway, like playing mobile games, taking a few surveys, or getting cash back when you shop online. It's all about monetizing those little pockets of free time that we all have.
And the best part? The rewards are totally tangible. This isn't just about racking up points in some app. You can cash out your earnings for real-world value with options like Amazon gift cards. You're literally turning that idle time into your next purchase.
Now let's talk about the most effortless part of the stack. This layer is all about setting something up one time and just letting it earn for you in the background with almost zero effort. These are the set it and forget it earners. And here are 2 fantastic examples. You've got Sweatcoin, which rewards you for physical activity by turning your steps into a digital currency. And then there's Pi Coin, a cryptocurrency you can actually mine right from your phone. And no, it doesn't use up your battery or your data. You literally just tap a button once a day and it earns for you in the background.
So, we've covered the 4 layers: the content engine, the video multiplier, the active hustle, and the passive earners.
But the real magic isn't in any single one of these tools. It's all about how you combine them.
This right here is the most important takeaway. The secret isn't about finding one magic tool that does everything. It's about strategically stacking them so they all work together as a single income-generating system. That's the mindset shift you need to make.
So here is your first step. Don't try to do everything at once. Just pick one tool from 2 different layers. For example, combine an active creation tool like Pictory with a passive earning tool like Sweatcoin. So while your videos are being created, you're also earning from your movement. This is how you start small and build your personal stack.
The possibilities here are pretty much endless, and you can totally customize your stack to fit your own lifestyle and your own goals. So I'll just leave you with this question. Using these building blocks we talked about, what does your perfect digital income stack look like?